welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, we're gonna do a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. Before going to that tutorial, I'm just gonna show to you guys how I prep my skin. So prepping your skin is really important guys, especially when you go outside. You need to make sure that your skin is protected from any harm UV rays going on outside. So I'm just gonna show to you guys how I prep my skin before putting on makeup. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching guys, and let's get into it. So I don't have anything on my face right now, so let's prep it first before putting any makeup. So after washing my face guys, I like to put toner on my face. So this is what I use right now. This is the Rose Water Facial Toner from Heritage Store. So this is hydrating and it's alcohol and oil free. So after toner, what I like to do is I'm gonna put my lip balm, my favorite lip balm. This is Mizon. This is made in Korea and I got this one from Amazon guys. I like this one because this is very moisturizing, good for your dry skin if you have a dry skin. I just put it here. Like that. So after the serum guys, I like to put this Eucerin Daily Protection Face Lotion. Comes with SPF 30, so this is really good for sun protection, and this is my favorite brand. Put it in my hand like that and apply it to our face. I like this one because this one is really moisturizing. That's how I prep my skin. It's super easy. I don't need to add more moisturizer because this one is very moisturizing already and I don't need any more moisture to my face. So now let's move on to our makeup tutorial guys. I'm not expert on makeup guys. I just love to play around with makeup sometimes and I don't want it to be too dramatic. So for our primer guys, I'm gonna be using this Becca Backlight priming filter. So you can use any primer if you want. So I'm just gonna use this one for now because I cannot find my other primer. I don't put primer all the time guys, I always forget. So I'm gonna be using this in Stylish sponge. I really like this one guys because this one is super soft. I have a discount code guys if you are interested of this product. So this is dry by the way. I'm just gonna use my Mario Badescu facial spray over here. I'm gonna spray some of the product into the sponge to make it a little bit like wet, and I'm gonna be using my Loreal Infallible Fresh Wear foundation. Put it in my face like that. Morphe eyeshadow over here. It's just do a simple eye makeup look. So let's see. Some lipstick. Wow, I feel like it's too red for my lips. I don't like it. So let me add some over here by Katvon. I think that one is better. It looks more like natural. This is a cream blush. This is from Ulta. By the way, this is one of my giveaways. I bought extra for myself, but the other one is going to be for our giveaway. So if you guys join our giveaway, so you're gonna get this one over here. I just put it here. I like this one because this one is very blendable, guys. It looks like more natural, super easy to blend. There you go. As you can see, guys, the blush on is really good. It looks more natural on my cheeks. So as I said, you can get same blush on because I have it here, guys, for our giveaways. So I bought two, so this one is mine and you guys can get the other one. Add a bit of highlighter. Put it here, put it here, your eyebrow, let's put it there. And let's put a bit of setting spray, guys. I'm gonna be using the NYX Matte Finish setting spray. So there you go, guys. That's it for our makeup tutorial, guys. As you can see naman, guys, it's super easy lang siya, super simple. You guys can do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye, guys.